Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and in today's video we're going to be celebrating 100 years of Masterlock by picking their 100-year anniversary padlock. I just want to say hats off to Masterlock for 100 years. Regardless of the industry, that's a really great feat. Now, Masterlock has always had an interesting relationship with Locksport because it's made some trivial locks that have really piqued the interest of many, which in a sense has helped grow the sport as a whole. And then there's the other camp that says, well, if you've been in business for so long, why haven't you improved? I do not wish to argue one way or the other today, but I just want to say 100 years all in itself has been a great feat and have certainly had their influence throughout the years. But when we take a look at this lock, it is interesting that they picked the M1 key, which is going to be a 4-pen key. So why did they pick a key that's going to be so easy, that's going to be highlighting their 100 years in business? I do not have the answer to that, but let's see what it takes to pick this open. So one thing I found is the dust cover on the front's actually the hardest part of the lock to open up. It's just on there really strongly, and it's hard to get open with your fingers, so I like to pop it open with my pickle fork. And then when it comes to picking the lock, I like to use a bottom of the keyway tensioner, and then my hook in 25 thousandths. And then once you get started, it shouldn't be too hard of a lock because it's just a 4-pin core, but let's see what it takes. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in our bottom of the keyway tension and see what it takes to open up this lock right now. Alright, so we have our tensioner in place. Let's start off with pin number 1. So I got to click on 1, click on 2. May have overset something in the back there. Let's start over there. So I got to click on 1, 2, click on 3, and let's see, 1, and I had the lock opened. So on this lock it actually has a lot of spring tension on the core, and that's one thing that's a little bit actually makes it a little bit harder to pick in a sense, because sometimes you don't realize you have the lock open when you have it open. That's a common thing you can see with American locks. But all in all, I want to say that this was a pretty fun lock to pick for a little 4-pin lock. I want to say hats off to Masterlock for 100 years. I'm really interested to see what you'll be doing for your 125-year anniversary. Will we still be using locks like this? Will it be something completely different? Or will it be more all of the same? Either way, I can't wait to see. And I just want to say, really cool thing for Masterlock to be able to do this. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out. I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video, and congratulations again to Masterlock for 100 great years.